Did you know that a fragrant herb found in gardens worldwide holds a secret to unlocking natural weight loss? This humble plant, often overlooked among more popular herbs, has quietly been supporting health and wellness for generations. It's true, lemon balm, a member of the mint family, has been cherished for centuries for its remarkable healing properties. Its gentle, citrusy aroma and vibrant green leaves make it a favorite among herbalists and gardeners alike. Beyond its delightful lemony scent, lemon balm offers many benefits for the mind, body, and spirit. It's known to uplift moods, calm nerves, and even support digestive health, making it a true multitasker in the world of natural remedies. Join us as we uncover the secrets of lemon balm and explore how this remarkable herb can support your weight loss goals naturally. Whether you're new to herbal wellness or a seasoned enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. For generations, herbalists have revered lemon balm for its ability to soothe anxiety, enhance cognitive function, and promote restful sleep. These calming effects can help reduce emotional eating and stress-related cravings, which are common obstacles on the path to weight loss. But recent studies have shed light on another exciting benefit of this versatile herb: its potential to aid in weight management. Researchers are discovering that lemon balm may help regulate metabolism, balance blood sugar, and support healthy digestion, all of which are crucial for effective weight control. By gently addressing the underlying factors that can contribute to weight gain, lemon balm offers a holistic approach to achieving a healthier weight. It works in harmony with your body, supporting both physical and emotional well-being as you pursue your goals. Throughout history, lemon balm has been a prized ingredient in traditional medicine systems, from ancient Greece to traditional Chinese medicine. Healers valued it for its ability to restore balance and vitality, and it was often used in tonics and teas to promote overall health. Its use dates back over 2,000 years, with records of its therapeutic properties found in ancient texts. These early practitioners recognized lemon balm's power to rejuvenate the body and mind, a wisdom that continues to inspire modern herbalists. Today, modern science is catching up with tradition, uncovering the scientific basis for lemon balm's long-held reputation as a healing herb. Ongoing research is revealing how its unique compounds interact with our bodies to promote wellness and support healthy weight. Intrigued? Keep watching to discover the many ways lemon balm can enhance your well-being and unlock your path to natural weight loss. From soothing your mind to supporting your metabolism, this ancient herb may be the gentle ally you've been searching for. Want to learn more about natural ways to improve your health and well-being? Subscribe to our channel for more tips, recipes, and insights on living a healthier, happier life. Lemon balm, scientifically known as Melissa officinalis, is a perennial herb with a delightful lemony aroma and a slightly sweet citrusy flavor. Native to Europe, North Africa, and West Asia, lemon balm has been naturalized in many parts of the world, gracing gardens and kitchens with its vibrant green leaves and delicate white flowers. The genus name Melissa comes from the Greek word for bee, a testament to the plant's attractiveness to pollinators. In ancient Greece, lemon balm was dedicated to the goddess Artemis, who is associated with healing and childbirth. The herb was believed to have calming and uplifting properties, making it a popular remedy for a wide range of ailments. For centuries, lemon balm has been used in traditional medicine systems to address various health concerns. It has been traditionally employed to ease digestive discomfort, soothe headaches, and promote relaxation. Today, lemon balm is enjoying a resurgence in popularity as people seek natural ways to support their health and well-being. One of the most well-documented benefits of lemon balm lies in its remarkable ability to calm the nervous system and promote mental well-being. The herb contains compounds like rosmarinic acid, which have been shown to possess calming and mood-boosting properties. Studies have shown that lemon balm can effectively reduce stress and anxiety, promoting a sense of calmness and relaxation. It has also been found to improve cognitive function, enhancing memory, focus, and concentration. These benefits make lemon balm a valuable ally for those seeking natural ways to manage stress, improve mood, and enhance cognitive performance. Furthermore, lemon balm's calming effects extend to sleep enhancement. The herb has been traditionally used to address sleep disturbances and promote restful sleep. Research suggests that lemon balm may increase GABA activity in the brain, a neurotransmitter that plays a crucial role in regulating sleep cycles. While lemon balm isn't exactly a magic bullet for weight loss, it can definitely play a supportive role in achieving a healthy weight by addressing some of the underlying factors that, can contribute to weight gain. Stress, for instance, is known to trigger the release of cortisol, which is a hormone that can lead to increased appetite and fat storage, especially in the abdominal area. By reducing stress and cortisol levels, lemon balm may help to regulate appetite and reduce stress-related weight gain. Furthermore, lemon balm's digestive benefits can also support weight management. The herb has traditionally been used to ease digestive discomfort, like bloating, gas, and indigestion, which can really interfere with digestion and nutrient absorption. By promoting optimal digestion, lemon balm can help ensure that the body efficiently utilizes the nutrients from food, potentially aiding in weight management efforts. Embrace the balm. Incorporating lemon balm into your daily life is, honestly, both easy and enjoyable. Whether you're a seasoned herbal enthusiast or just starting to explore the world of natural wellness, lemon balm offers a gentle, accessible way to support your well-being. Its fresh citrusy aroma and mild flavor make it a delightful addition to your daily routine, and you'll find that it fits seamlessly into a variety of habits and rituals. Here are a few simple ways you can experience the benefits of this versatile herb. From soothing teas to refreshing infusions, and even creative culinary uses, there's truly something for everyone. First, you might want to brew a soothing cup of lemon balm tea. This is one of the most popular and traditional ways to enjoy its calming effects, especially after a long day or when you need a moment of relaxation. Just steep a handful of fresh lemon balm leaves in hot water for about 5 to 10 minutes, and you'll have a calming and flavorful tea. The gentle lemony notes are both uplifting and soothing, making it a perfect beverage for winding down in the evening or starting your morning on a peaceful note. Add a touch of honey or stevia for sweetness, if that's your thing. You can also experiment with a slice of lemon or a sprig of mint for an extra burst of flavor and aroma. Another option is to create a refreshing lemon balm infusion. This is a fantastic way to stay hydrated while enjoying the subtle, invigorating taste of the herb throughout the day. Combine a handful of fresh lemon balm leaves with a pitcher of cold water and let it infuse in the refrigerator overnight for a really refreshing and flavorful drink. It's perfect for hot summer days or as a healthy alternative to sugary beverages. If you love experimenting in the kitchen, try adding lemon balm to your culinary creations. The delicate lemony flavor pairs perfectly with both sweet and savory dishes. It's a wonderful way to elevate everyday meals and impress your guests with a unique herbal twist. You can use it to flavor salads, soups, sauces, or even desserts. Sprinkle chopped leaves over fresh fruit, blend them into salad dressings, or use as a garnish for cakes and pastries. The possibilities are endless. And if you prefer something more concentrated, try a lemon balm tincture. Tinctures are a convenient way to enjoy the benefits of lemon balm, especially if you're on the go or want a quick, potent dose. Lemon balm tinctures are a concentrated form of the herb that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Just add a few drops to water, juice, or your favorite beverage, and you're set. Just be sure to follow the recommended dosage instructions on the product label. With so many ways to enjoy lemon balm, it's easy to make this gentle, uplifting herb a regular part of your life. So, are you ready to explore the world of natural wellness? Go ahead and subscribe to our channel for more tips, recipes, and inspiration to support your journey to optimal health. Lemon balm precautions. Let's talk safety and considerations. While lemon balm is a wonderful herb with a long history of use, it's important to remember that natural doesn't always mean risk-free. Understanding how it might affect you personally is key to using it safely. While lemon balm is generally considered safe for most people when used in moderation, it's really important to be aware of a few potential precautions. Everyone's body is different, and what works well for one person may not be suitable for another. Always start with a small amount to see how your body reacts, especially if you're new to herbal supplements. For pregnancy and breastfeeding, there just isn't enough information about the safety of lemon balm during these times. So it's best to err on the side of caution and avoid using lemon balm if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. The effects on developing babies and infants are not fully understood, so prioritizing safety is always wise. If you have thyroid conditions, keep in mind that lemon balm may interfere with thyroid medications. Some studies suggest it could potentially reduce the effectiveness of these medications, so it's especially important to be cautious. It's always a good idea to consult your healthcare provider before using Lemon Balm if you have a thyroid issue. Your doctor can help you weigh the benefits and risks and may suggest alternative options that are safer for your specific health needs. When it comes to medications, Lemon Balm may interact with certain medications, including sedatives and those that affect GABA levels. This means it could increase drowsiness or change how your body responds to these drugs, so always double-check for possible interactions. So, it's crucial to consult with your healthcare provider before using Lemon Balm, especially if you're taking any medications. Open communication with your doctor ensures you're making the safest choices for your health and well-being. And, although it's rare, some individuals may be allergic to Lemon Balm. Allergic reactions can happen even with herbs, so pay attention to any unusual symptoms after use. If you experience any allergic reactions, like itching, redness, or swelling, discontinue use and seek medical attention. Remember, being informed and cautious helps you enjoy the benefits of Lemon Balm while minimizing any risks. Rediscover wellness with Lemon Balm, nature's gift for a healthier you. Lemon Balm, with its rich history and multifaceted healing properties, truly stands as a testament to nature's ability to support our well-being. From calming the mind to promoting restful sleep, and even potentially aiding in weight management, Lemon Balm offers a gentle and holistic approach to enhancing our health. In a world that's often searching for quick fixes, Lemon Balm reminds us of the power of embracing a natural and balanced approach to wellness. By incorporating this versatile herb into our daily lives, we can tap into its gentle yet profound healing properties, rediscovering a sense of balance and well-being. So, are you ready to unlock the power of natural wellness? Subscribe to our channel for tips, recipes, and inspiration to guide you on your journey to optimal health.